China is building the future faster than anyone expected, and the world is only just beginning to notice. While most countries debate technology, China is deploying it at a scale and speed that feels almost unreal. What you're about to see isn't science fiction or distant possibility. It's happening right now, and it's changing everything. China's drone delivery revolution. China has quietly built the fastest food delivery system on Earth using autonomous drones that move with military precision. In major cities, meals that once took 40 minutes now arrive in 15, landing in secure drop boxes without human help. What looks like convenience is actually something much bigger, a nationwide network of flying robots learning in real time. The West calls it innovation, but in China this is already normal life, a sign of how fast automation has taken over daily routines. A car that thinks, learns, and drives itself. New Chinese vehicles now ship with AI brains powerful enough to analyze roads, traffic, and human behavior instantly. Some models can drive empty, pick up their owners on command, and navigate dense cities without touching a steering wheel. With supercomputer-level chips, radar, and high-definition cameras, these cars don't just react, they predict what happens next. It's a leap beyond self-driving, a new category where the vehicle becomes a thinking partner rather than a machine. SUVs that spin, swim, and escape floods. China's latest electric SUVs come with 4 independent motors that let them rotate in place and slide sideways like stunt cars. Some of them can even float, powering through deep water during floods and staying buoyant long enough to save their passengers. These vehicles blur the line between car, boat, and rescue craft, built for a future where cities face extreme weather. What was once a concept has become a showroom product, a reminder that China's engineering pace is rewriting the rule book. Robot dogs built for work, not play. In China's tech hubs, compact robot dogs run faster than humans, climb stairs, flip, and obey voice commands powered by GPT-level AI. They're already assisting security teams, patrolling events, and working alongside athletes at major competitions. Their sensors see in 360 degrees, avoiding obstacles with barely a moment's delay, operating indoors and outdoors with equal skill. These machines aren't toys, they're prototypes for automated labor capable of replacing workers in tasks once thought too complex. Hospitals where robots do the work. Modern Chinese hospitals now use autonomous robots to deliver medicine, guide patients, and assist doctors in complex procedures. Some surgeries are performed remotely across thousands of kilometers, connecting specialists to remote villages instantly. AI systems are diagnosing illnesses with accuracy rates that rival top human physicians, handling thousands of cases per day. It's a healthcare model built on automation, precision, and relentless efficiency, hinting at a future where medical staff and machines work as one. Highways built by autonomous machines. China is now constructing entire roads using fleets of self-driving dump trucks, rollers, and paving robots working around the clock. These machines navigate with centimeter-level accuracy, moving in perfect formation without breaks, fatigue, or human error. Even in brutal freezing temperatures, they keep hauling material, compacting surfaces, and laying asphalt with mechanical precision. It's not just automation, it's a new era of infrastructure, where roads build themselves faster than any human crew ever could. Airports powered by facial recognition. Travelers in China can walk through airports without touching a ticket, scanning a code, or speaking to a staff member. Facial recognition replaces everything from check-in to boarding, moving crowds through terminals in seconds instead of minutes. Automatic gates, biometric bag drops, and AI-controlled security lines create a seamless flow from entrance to airplane seat. What once felt like a distant sci-fi dream is now daily reality, turning airports into some of the most advanced systems on Earth. AI surveillance covering an entire nation. Across China, millions of high-resolution cameras track movement, analyze behavior, and identify faces with astonishing speed. These devices are linked to a nationwide AI network that monitors streets, stores, subways, and public squares in real time. Police can find suspects within minutes, predict risks in crowded areas, and flag unusual activity before anyone notices. It's a surveillance ecosystem unmatched anywhere else, raising questions about safety, privacy, and the true cost of technological power. Palm payment, replacing wallets and phones. People in China can now pay for groceries, train tickets, and restaurant bills simply by hovering their hand over a scanner. The system reads the unique patterns and veins inside the palm, creating a fast and secure biometric signature. Transactions take less than a second, no cards, no phones, no passwords, just a wave of the human hand. It's a glimpse into a cashless future where identity itself becomes the key to unlocking every purchase. Farming reinvented with autonomous robots. China has turned farmlands into high-tech zones where drones sow seeds, spray crops, and monitor fields day and night. Robotic harvesters, precision sprayers, and AI-powered planting machines work at speeds dozens of times faster than humans. They analyze soil, detect pests, and adjust irrigation automatically, turning agriculture into a data-driven science. It's an agricultural revolution that boosts food production while cutting labor costs, building a future where farms run themselves. AI-built highways China is building entire highways using fleets of fully autonomous construction machines. Massive self-driving haul trucks carry 85-ton loads through snow, mud, and steep terrain with no human drivers inside. Road rollers and pavers follow behind automatically, guided by GPS and algorithmic precision. This system builds faster with fewer errors, reducing costs and removing workers from dangerous environments. Data from every vehicle is shared in real time to optimize routes and construction speed. China plans to scale to thousands of autonomous machines, making national infrastructure development faster than anything seen before. It's the beginning of machine-driven construction at a scale no other nation has matched. Airport travel by facial recognition. China's major airports allow passengers to check in, pass security, and board flights using only their face. Advanced biometric cameras verify identity in seconds with no ID cards, no boarding passes, and no staff interaction. Over 600 automated gates and 250 biometric checkpoints work together to move huge crowds with almost zero lineups. The system reduces average passenger processing time from minutes to seconds. At some airports, you can walk from entrance to gate in under 2 minutes without speaking to anyone. The entire process is smooth, touchless, and AI managed, showing how global travel could soon look everywhere. Extreme agility robot dogs. China's new robot dogs can sprint, jump, flip, climb stairs, and even walk upside down with incredible balance. Their 4D LiDAR systems give them a 360-degree visual map with almost no blind spots. They respond to voice commands using GPT-powered language understanding and can follow humans at jogging speed while avoiding obstacles automatically. Used by police, firefighters, and event staff, these robots carry gear, scan dangerous areas, and perform missions humans can't safely do. Some versions use wheels for high-speed travel and can haul equipment across rough terrain. They're affordable, fast, and already being deployed across the country, with global use growing rapidly. Ultra-realistic androids. Chinese companies are creating hyper-realistic humanoid robots with skin, expressions, and eye movements astonishingly close to real humans. Each robot uses over 140 micro-actuators to smile, blink, talk, and react naturally. These androids appear in museums, universities, hotels, exhibitions, and even government centers as guides or interactive hosts. Some models recreate historical figures like Einstein and Hawking, speaking in their voices and explaining their work. Factories now produce hundreds of humanoids per year. Experts say that within a few years, you may not immediately know whether you're talking to a human or a robot. AI-powered remote surgery. China is performing surgeries where the doctor and patient are separated by thousands of kilometers. Robotic surgical systems translate a surgeon's movements into ultra-precise actions inside the operating room. In recent procedures, surgeons successfully operated across 8,000 kilometers with almost no delay. These systems allow top specialists to treat patients anywhere, even in remote regions. Hospitals also deploy autonomous medicine delivery robots that transport prescriptions through hallways in minutes. Combined with AI diagnostics and robotic assistance, Chinese hospitals are rapidly becoming some of the most automated in the world, ushering in a new era of remote care medicine. Ultra-fast EV charging. China is breaking the biggest limitation of electric cars: charging time. Their new 1 megawatt charging stations can add 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, faster than filling a gasoline tank on a busy day. This technology sends massive power through liquid-cooled cables, while AI regulates voltage, heat, and battery health in real time. Drivers pull in, connect, and watch their battery leap from nearly empty to road ready almost instantly. These chargers are already being deployed across multiple multiple cities and highways. If scaled globally, charging anxiety would disappear almost overnight. It marks a turning point where EVs become not just greener, but dramatically more convenient than fuel cars. AI-driven farming machines. Chinese agriculture is transforming through a wave of autonomous machines built for speed and precision. The DJI Agras T100 drone sprays crops automatically, carrying 100 kilograms at a time and covering huge fields even in the dark. Robotic cotton toppers with 108 articulated arms trim farmland at speeds no human crew could ever match. GPS-guided planters work on large fields with near-perfect accuracy, replacing the labor of dozens of workers. These machines gather soil data, monitor crop health, and adjust their work without human supervision. Farming becomes faster, cheaper, and more reliable, reshaping how food is grown at national scale. Next-level Maglev train systems. China's magnetic levitation trains no longer touch the tracks. They float on magnetic force, eliminating friction entirely. In testing, prototypes hit 620 miles per hour, faster than most airplanes during takeoff. Production models accelerate from 0 to 404 miles per hour in 7 seconds, offering a travel experience that feels more like flying than riding. These trains glide silently with minimal vibration using sustainable electric propulsion. A trip from Beijing to Shanghai could shrink from 5.5 hours to under 3. It's the closest thing on Earth to sci-fi high-speed travel becoming reality. Nationwide palm scan payments. Millions of people in China can now make purchases using nothing but the palm of their hand. Tencent's Palm Pay scans a user's vein patterns and palm lines, biometric traits nearly impossible to fake. It's faster than facial recognition and far more secure than fingerprints or credit cards. Over 1,500 stores already accept palm payments, and adoption is growing in universities, subways, and shopping malls. Users simply wave their hand over a sensor and walk away. No wallet, phone, or physical ID required. This could become the world's next major payment standard if widely adopted. Drone delivery networks at massive scale. Food and package delivery in China is undergoing a revolution through autonomous drone fleets. Companies like Meituan have logged over 300,000 successful deliveries, dropping meals into secure boxes within minutes. JD.com's heavy lift drones can carry 5 to 30 kilograms, connecting rural villages that never had fast delivery before. Routes are automatically calculated, obstacles avoided, and landing zones scanned for safety. Deliveries arrive warm, accurate, and sometimes within 15 minutes, even in dense megacities. It's a glimpse at a future where delivery drivers become optional and the sky becomes a new highway. China isn't waiting for the future. It's building it faster than anyone else. From flying trains to robot surgeons, these breakthroughs are already shaping a new world. And every year, the gap between imagination and reality gets smaller. So the only question left is this: are we ready for what comes next?